Hi, my name's Ariel, and today we're reviewing Cyber Samba, which I taught on the Mavericks patio last week. So we'll do a lightning review, steps, and then counts, and then a more in-depth tutorial afterwards. So if you want the lightning review, here it is. This is our 12 o'clock. We're gonna start with an 8th stomp, behind side together, knee pop, stomp, behind side, forward side, behind side, cross, rock and cross, behind side, quarter, step, mambo, step, ball sweep, pony, back sweep, sit, recover, rock, quarter hitch, step, samba whisk, with a walk, full volta, turn, with a sweep, quarter diamond cross with a side, step, side, step, kick back, toe, hitch down, cross, side, cross, quarter together, cross, side, cross, quarter together, cross, samba, mambo, sweep, sailor, turn to the back. So this is Cyber Samba. It is a 2-wall dance. So then I would repeat the dance to my back wall. There is one tag. So I do the full dance to wall 1, the full dance to wall 2. When I get back to 12 o'clock, I start my wall 3 with a rocking chair. So it's a right rocking chair with a rock, recover, start dance again with the knee pop. Okay? With the counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Start dance again with a knee pop. Okay, 8 count by 8 count tutorial. Let's go. So, we're starting off our dance. Our first 8 count is going to turn us a lot. Let's start with just the first 4 count, actually. Our first 4 count is going to turn us a quarter turn over my left shoulder to my 9 o'clock wall. I'm going to do an 8 stop on 1. On 2 and 3, I'm going to do a behind side together, turning me another 8 turn to square myself up to 9 o'clock. So it behind side together, and then on and 4 I'm going to do a knee pop. So just the first 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, behind side together, knee pop. With the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Continuing our 8 count, we're going to do a very similar motion again. This next step, they don't actually call a stomp in the step sheet. So the first step is written as a stomp. This one is not, but it's the same sort of 8th turn step sign on your right foot. We're gonna basically do a half turn weave. So even though I just did my 8th turn, we're doing a half turn from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock with a weave-like motion. So I did my stomp on 5, or sorry, my step on 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, I'm gonna weave with a behind side, front side, behind side cross. That last behind side cross, I should already be at 9 o'clock to end it without the turn. So again, that's 8th turn, behind side, front side, behind side cross. Turning us a half from 9 to 3 o'clock. Can we add that to the top with words and then with counts? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8th, behind side together, knee pop, side turning weave with a behind side cross. With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay? We ended and 1, crossed facing 9 o'clock. I'm going to do a rock and cross, 2 and 3, rock and cross. I'm going to do a side behind quarter with a side behind quarter turn on my left foot, stepping forward on my right foot again also, and then ending with a mambo step. So again, that's rock and cross, side behind forward step, mambo step. So with the counts, we ended on in 1 with the cross. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Add that to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, behind, side together, knee pop. Turn, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, cross. Rock and cross. Side, behind, forward, step, mambo step. With the counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have another and 1 count to start our next 8 count. So it's a left mambo, 7 and 8. And 1 is a ball step backwards. Ball step. I'm going to sweep my right foot backwards into a pony back. I'm going to move forward so this is easier to see. So I ball sweep, pony back. I'm going to sweep again for a pony back. Sweep one last time to do a sit, recover, and another rock, recover, but that recover is going to turn me a quarter turn with a hitch. That's the start of our next 8 counts, so we won't even get there yet. So, to review, we just did a mambo step, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, and 1 is ball sweep, pony back, sweep, pony back, sweep, sit, recover, rock, quarter hitch. Okay? With the counts, I'm going to start on 7 and 8 on the left mambo step. 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So again, the 1 is the quarter hitch. Excuse me, it's hot here. Okay, let's add that to the top of the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8th, behind, side together, knee pop, 8th, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, cross, rock and cross, side, behind, forward, step, mambo, step, ball, sweep, pony, sweep, sit, recover, rock, quarter hitch. With the counts, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Moving on to our next 8 count. 1 is that quarter hitch bringing me to 9 o'clock. I'm going to step my right foot down. So I do my quarter hitch on 1. Step 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 hand is going to be a left-right samba whisk. So samba whisk is a side, rock, back, side, rock, back. And then I'm going to walk twice forward. Walk, walk. End of 8 count. So let's just do that. So I'm going to do my quarter hitch. So I just did a sit, recover, rock on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. I'm gonna move on because I feel like that wasn't adding enough for us to need to go from the top again. So I'm gonna do the next 8 count and then we'll go from the top again. So I just walked 7. I walked left 7, right 8. I'm gonna do a full turning volta turn over my left shoulder to end back at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna cross quarter, step side, cross quarter, step side, cross quarter, step side, cross quarter. That last cross quarter is on 4. I'm gonna sweep my right foot back to front into a quarter diamond to end this 8 count. So a front, back, 8th turn, behind, side, cross. So each of those triple steps at the end is turning me an 8th turn, first the diagonal, and then to 12 o'clock. So that whole 8 count, again, I just walked left, right on 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, volta, 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 sweep, front, back, 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 side, cross. With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now let's add that back to the top. So the steps then counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th, behind, side, together, neat, pop. 8th, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, cross. Rock and cross. Side, behind, quarter, step, mambo, step, ball, sweep. Pony, sweep, pony, sweep. Sit, recover, rock, quarter hitch. A step, side, rock, back, walk, walk. Volta, 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 sweep, front, back, back, behind, side, cross. With the counts, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we're getting close to the end. Sorry, it's a 64 count dance. I believe we're on the last 16 counts, maybe more than that though, so don't quote me on that. I don't have the step sheet immediately in front of me. Okay, we did our cross. We're gonna do step side, step, step, side, step, step. So that's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and wait till my left foot at the end of that. It says kick forward, step back for the next syncopated steps. When you watch people dance it though, they're really more touching their toe forward than kicking, but it calls it a kick, step back. They're also not moving back a ton. So you're moving back a little bit, but you're mostly staying in place. So we do it a side, step, step, side, step, step. Kick my right forward, step back on my right, kick my left forward, step back on my left, touch my right toe forward, and end by hitching that hip up, down. So the counts on that end of the 8 count are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Except what it actually is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Sorry about that. So that whole 8 count, words then counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, step, step, side, step, step, kick back, toe, hitch down. With the counts, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's add that to the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th, behind side together, knee pop. 8th, behind side, front side, behind side, cross. Rock and cross, side behind quarter, step, mambo, step, ball, sweep. Pony, sweep, pony, sweep. Sit, recover, rock, quarter, hitch. Step, whisk, whisk. Walk, walk, voltifold turn with a sweep, quarter diamond, and a side, step, step, side, step, step, kick back, toe hitch down. From the top with the counts, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, we're gonna end the dance and then do it from the top again. I believe we have 16 counts left. So we're gonna do this last 16 counts and then go from the top. So our weight is on our left foot. I just did my toe hitch down, weight's on my left. I'm gonna, on 1, 2, I'm gonna cross side, and then on 3 and 4, I'm gonna do a cross quarter together. It's got the feel of a samba step, so like a cross out, out, but your feet are staying together, so it's not technically a quarter samba. So again, that's cross, side, cross, quarter together. I'm gonna repeat again, but now that I'm on my 3 o'clock wall, I'm gonna do it facing 3 o'clock. So on my left foot, cross left, side, cross, quarter together to bring me back to 12 o'clock. That's that entire 8 count. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a cross, side, cross, quarter together, cross, side, cross, quarter together. With the counts, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Something I noticed when I watch people dance it, like Rebecca Lee, they'll do like a little bounce in their step on the cross, like do a little give in their knees. Dance however you want to dance it, but that's something I noticed that looked really cute. The final 8 count, so we're back at 12 o'clock. We just did our cross quarter together. I'm gonna do 2 cross sambas to each diagonal. So my weight's on my left, cross samba to my 130, cross samba to my 1030. I'm gonna do a right mambo step on my 1030 diagonal with a mambo sweep into what is technically a 3/8 sailor step, but you can kind of think of it like, sorry, my iPhone storage was full. We were on the end of the last 8 count with a right mambo sweep into a 3/8 sailor cross, bringing us to 6 o'clock to start the dance again, because it's a 2-wall dance. You can think of it like a half sailor because you're technically still on your 12 o'clock wall, but it's really a 3/8 because you're on the diagonal. However your brain needs to think about it, but you're getting to your new wall at the end of the sailor step. So that whole 8 count is cross samba, mambo sweep, sailor cross. With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From the top, everything, words, then counts, then done. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, behind, side, together, knee, pop, stomp, behind, side, front, side, behind, side, cross, rock and cross, side, behind, quarter, step, mambo, step, ball, sweep, pony, sweep, with a rock, recover, rock, quarter, hitch, step, samba, whisk, walk, walk, full volta, with a sweep, quarter diamond, with a cross and a side, step, step, side, step, step, kick back, toe, hitch, down. Cross, side, cross, quarter together, cross, side, cross, quarter together, cross, samba, mambo, sweep, sailor, cross. From the top with the counts. And because my phone died, I can't remember if I said this or not, but basically those last samba steps, if you have the space to do it, and you see people do this when you're dancing it, you're traveling forward on those last two samba steps. So the cross samba, really travel forward on them. That's what I noticed when I see people dancing it. I don't have the space to do that here though, so I probably won't be, but just an FYI. 5, with the counts, and then done. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. End of dance. That's Cyber Samba. We're doing it for this month and next month's Cyber Challenge, where we're trying to learn all of the Cyber dances. We started with Cyber Remix. I've got a tutorial for that. This is Cyber Samba. Next week, we're starting Cyber Drop for 2 weeks, and then we'll do Cyber Swagger for 2 weeks after that. And this is all playing after 9 at Mavericks. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun learning these dances. Hope this was helpful. Bye.